How to find square root of 841 by long division method? We need to make pair from right hand side to left hand side. This is our first pair, this is second pair. In second pair we have just only one digit. Consider this second pair 8. Here you have to place here a number whose square will be equal to 8 or closest to 8. If you place here 4, if you place here 3, then 3 square will be what? 3 square will be 9, which is greater than 8. So 2 is correct. 2 square equal to 4, right? If you place here 2, the same number will come here. 2 times 2, 4. Subtract 4, bring down the next pair. Since you have placed here 2 in the quotient, same number will come under the divisor and add. 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, now place here a number and multiply. 4 and place here number times. Okay, now place here a number and multiply. This product will be equal to this or nearest to this. If you place here 9, look what will happen. 9 times 9, 81. Write 1, carry 8 to the next column. 9 times 4, 36. 36 plus 8, 44. So this product is equal to this. So our gauging number 9 is correct. So 29 times 4. So look, now 9 times 49. We have placed here 9 times 49, 441. Subtract, you are getting 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. So our answer is 29. To check your answer, so here we have placed 9, so same digit will come under the divisor and add. 9 plus 9, 18, right? 8, carry 1 to the next column. 4 plus 1, 5. Look, the double of 29 is 58. So our answer 29 is correct. So the square root of 841 by long division method is 29.